Hi family, this is your girl Azara, work from home specialist, side hustle and gig economy enthusiast. All the jobs I speak about on this channel either offer you time freedom, location freedom, or you have the ability to work from home. I have time-stamped this video, so if you do not want to hear me talk, then just check the links in the description. You can see, or not the links, but you can check the description and see where I start talking about the jobs, and you can fast forward me. But I'm gonna talk for just a bit because that's what I do. This is my third time starting this video over, so I'm not starting over anymore. I'm not gonna edit this video. We just gonna rock with it, okay? Matthew 7, 24 through 27, building on a solid foundation. Anyone who listens to my teaching and follows it is wise, like a person who builds a house on a solid rock. Though the rain comes in torrent and the flood waters rise and the winds beat against that house, it won't collapse because it was built on a solid rock. That rock is Jesus, okay? And so right now, depending on when you're watching this video, right now in the United States and all over the world in different parts of the country, there's quarantine going on. Everybody's isolated. And what's happening, there's a lot of shaking going on. And so I pulled out this Bible verse because I'm a Jesus girl. And a lot of people's jobs are being shaken. And so, which is one of the reasons why I created this channel, because it's always wise to have multiple avenues to work in. And so, you know, I believe that the only way that you can get a job, keep a job, whatever, is from King Jesus. And so a lot of people's jobs are being shaken right now. And so I hope to help someone who may have experienced some shaking in their life. Some shaking in their life? Did I say that right? I probably didn't. Some people who are experiencing job loss or anything, financial difficulty, don't have a car, something like that, their world is shaking around them. But if you remember Matthew 7, 24 through 27, and acknowledge God in all you do, he's going to help you. Because in this Bible verse, it talks about whoever listens to his teaching. So I encourage you to take a look at that Bible verse, meditate on it, and going forward in your job search, you know, ask God to help you, give you wisdom, give you discernment, so that this time when you build your job, you're building it on the solid foundation that's King Jesus. That's my ministry moment. Now we're going to talk about these jobs. I got my computer over here, so I like to tell people, just in case you've never seen my video before, I turn to the side, I stop, I say, because I'm not going to edit this video. I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there that have beautiful videos, and I'm kind of like that. Maybe one day I'll get there, but I'm not there today because I'm trying to get these videos to you quick, okay? So I have 4 jobs I want to share with you today. Let's see here. The first job is with relevant.com, okay? Relevant.com, they're looking for an account executive. All right, this job pays up to $25 an hour. Excuse me. This job pays up to $25 an hour. Their Monday through Friday job is from 8:30 to 5:30. No weekends, guys, with this job. They have medical and dental benefits, paid time off, vacation, 401ks. What you're going to be doing is you're going to receive a prospect from, let me read it, okay? It says, receive what you will be doing. You will receive a prospect from our sales development team. You're going to work with the relevant.com weekly to review the overall team health, procedures of client life cycle, qualifying prospects, engaging sales, and fulfilling client needs. You're going to communicate with business decision makers, owners, and executive. You're going to be rapport with pre-qualified prospects using relevant forms of digital communication, such as video chat, webinars, screen sharing, live text chat, emails, and social media. About you, what they really want from you with this particular job is about 2 years of sales experience in account management or business development, good communication skills. You're going to need to be outgoing and ambitious, a proven track record of closing deals and hitting metrics. You're going to need to be a self-starter, student mentally, detail-oriented, and punctual. And I know all of you are all that. And you're going to need to demonstrate integrity. Oh, I love that word because I'm all about integrity. That's really important to me. And so that's that job. Of course, I'm going to leave that in the description. Again, that pays $25 an hour. So if you have any experience, apply for that job. The next job that I'm going to tell you about is from a company called LawnStarters. These are all remote positions. They're hiring for a customer service position. LawnStarter is a fast-growing, profitable startup in Austin, Texas. This position starts, it pays about $11 an hour. You're going to be working anywhere from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday through Friday and 8 to 5 Saturday or Sunday or both. It says these are subject to change based on the needs of the customer, so those hours can change. They have certain residents or cities or states that you have to live in, so I'll post a link in the description, so you'll want to check that out. Basically, for this job, they would like you. They said it is nice to have, but it's not required. Remember, right now is a good time to get into the work from home field because they're really open to hiring people from different industries. So they said it's nice to have, but it's not required. Experience with supporting customers via phone, experience working remotely, experience with Five9 or Zendesk, and a backup plan for internet and computer issues. All right. With this job, you're going to need to have an internet connection, a computer, a headset, and a webcam. All right. That is my second job. The third job I have here is from Transcom. They're looking for a customer service chat and phone representative. They said, do you love helping people? I'm reading their description. Do you love helping people and sharing your knowledge? Do you have excellent verbal and communication skills? Do you want to grow your career with a company that rewards your hard work? Do you want to improve your work-life balance? Oh, we all want to do that. Yeah. So if that is you, they want you to join their family as a work-from-home agent. All right. Let's see some of the job descriptions. You're going to effortlessly engage with customers, actively listen, analyze the needs, and locate the solution quickly. You're going to comfortably navigate multiple applications to research solutions. You're going to calmly provide conflict resolution for the customers. You're going to work at a desk, wear an approved headset, and for the duration of the full-time schedule, you're going to talk to customers in a high-volume, fast-paced call center-like environment, but just from home. All right, what's in it for you? They have health benefits, medical, dental, visual. They have medical, dental, vision, 401k, 100% work at home, including training. So your training is going to even be at home. Some jobs, they want you to train on site and then you get to work home, but this is not one of those jobs. You're going to get to work from home 100% from the beginning. And this is the opportunity to work for a company that's passionate about the people. That's what they say. All right, some of the requirements, you're going to need to at least be 18 years old, have a high school diploma, be able to work 32 to 40 hours a week. Let's see, strong computer skills. Of course, you're going to be working from home, excellent English, written and verbal communication skills. You're going to need to be courteous, friendly, active listening skills. Notice all I'm saying are those key words, okay? So when you apply for these jobs and you see things like excellent excellent verbal and written communication skills. You need to make sure that somewhere on your resume, when you apply for this job, that it has excellent verbal and communication skills as a highlight or as a detail, like within your past job. Let's see, it says you need to have strong computer skills. You need to find a way in one of your past jobs and where you use your computer skills, and you need to make sure that it says something about your computer skills in your past work history. That's how you get these jobs. Remember, when you apply for these jobs, your resume goes through a work, it's all digital. So basically a computer pulls the resume, and when the computer pulls the resume, they're just looking for keywords. And then once the computer pulls the resume, then it's reviewed by the hiring manager. So back in the day when I had no work from home experience, I just looked at their job description. I talked about this on the other video, but I like to reiterate this because this is so important to actually getting these jobs. I always look at the description of the job that I want to get, and then I look at my resume and I just go back and forth and say, okay, they're looking for someone with strong communication skills. Somewhere in the back of my history, if I don't have strong communication skills on my resume, I'm going to find a way to put that I use my excellent communication skills or strong communication skills when working in some aspect of my past job. Active listening skills is something that they talked about. I'm going to find some way on my resume from my past working history to include that I use active listening skills to complete some task. That's how you get these jobs, guys, okay? Let's see. Anything else with this job? I don't see a pay range. I don't see a pay range. They do say you do have to have a home office. Basically just a secure, quiet, a distraction-free environment. They're going to want you to have cable. I'm sorry, not cable. They're going to want you to have internet. So you can do the job from home. That's about it. They said webcam is not required, but that's encouraged, which probably means that you're going to need a webcam for the interview. They'll probably do it on the phone, but they would prefer to see your beautiful face. All right, guys. That's it. All right. I am praying for you. I pray that you get this job. I pray that all is well in your world. I love you. I hit my mic. I probably hit my mic when I said that. I have my mic right here. Yeah, I probably hit it again as I was talking about it. I love you. God loves you. Go get that job. Bye.